Hello again. Many of us woke up to wintry scenes this morning, snow on the ground, icy patches as well. The showers that brought the snow are slowly easing, but they'll continue for a time in the north, only ahead of the next bout of wet and windy weather arriving later, and that likely to bring a further spell of significant snowfall. So the weather turning more lively again later Wednesday, but for now, it's starting to ease off across much of England and Wales. The sun is coming out, the showers are dying away, the wind is starting to come down as well. But for northern England, especially over the hills, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, well, we'll continue to see further showers coming through during the rest of Wednesday. A cold wind continues to blow across the country, temperatures barely above freezing where we've got snow on the ground. So a continued risk of snow and ice to come during the rest of Wednesday, but it is easing before this troublemaker moves in from the west, and this is a low pressure that will deepen rapidly on its approach to the UK and then cross central parts of Britain during the early hours of Thursday. Its zigzag track is key because that will dictate exactly what kind of weather we'll experience. It runs into that cold air, and these weather fronts carry with them heavy rain. And that means that across the northern flank of the low, it's likely that we'll see some significant snow. Southern Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland, most at risk from this. But on the southern flank of the low, that's where we'll see the strongest of the winds, particularly after the rain has moved through. And it's through Northern England and Eastern England that we're most prone to some disruptive gusts through Thursday morning. So first of all, we're going to see the cloud thicken in the west, outbreaks of rain move in and the wind pick up. A wet evening and first part of the night to come for much of England and Wales. But as that rain moves into cold air, we're likely to see snow over the Welsh mountains and at lower levels across Northern England, Southern Scotland and for a time, Northern Ireland. Now, it's over the mountains that we're likely to see the deepest snow accumulating, 10 to 20 centimetres of additional snow, for example, for the higher ground of southern Scotland, the far north of England, but also some additional snowfall at lower levels. Now, as the rain and snow clear through later in the night, that's when the winds will really pick up. A risk of 50-mile-per-hour gusts widely inland and for some exposed coastal areas, so for example through northwest England, and by dawn into the east of England, well, here we could see 70-mile-per-hour gusts or higher. And actually, it's during Thursday morning rush hour that we're most concerned about, say, the coast of Lincolnshire and into North Norfolk, because low pressure will once again deepen as it pushes into the North Sea, bringing a swathe of gales fairly widely down this coastline of eastern England. And there's the threat of gusts reaching more than 70 miles an hour for a time during Thursday morning. Then we're back into northwesterly winds, and that means it's another day of sunny spells and wintry showers. The showers mostly of snow to the north of the central belt. Elsewhere, a mixture of rain, sleet and snow. It's going to feel cold on Thursday, the wind slowly easing, but it's going to remain blustery, temperatures a little below average.